Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Creating the perfect Telegram channel for your business. Hey everyone, we're going to talk about how to create the perfect Telegram channel for your business. If you're looking for a simple yet powerful way to connect with your audience, share updates, and grow your brand, then this guide is exactly what you need. Let's get started. Okay, so first let's understand what a Telegram channel is and why it's useful. So, a Telegram channel is designed for broadcasting messages to a large audience. So, Telegram channels are mainly one way, so people can view your content, and comments are optional if you enable them. Another advantage is flexibility. You can send messages instantly or schedule them ahead of time. So, this is perfect if you want to stay consistent without always being online. Now, let's walk through how to create your Telegram channel step by step. If you're using a mobile device, open your Telegram app, look at the top right corner, and tap the pencil icon. Now, from the options that appear, select New Channel. Next, you'll be asked to enter your channel name. This is important because it represents your brand, so make sure it's clear, simple, and relevant to your niche. So, try to avoid complicated names, keep it easy to remember, and searchable. You also have the option to add a description. While this is optional, it is highly recommended. So, a good description tells people what your channel is about and what kind of content they can expect. So, think of it as your quick pitch to new visitors. After that, you can upload a profile photo or logo. This could be your business logo, a personal brand, image, or anything that visually represents your channel. Having a strong visual identity helps build trust and recognition. Once you complete these steps, your Telegram channel is officially created. Now, if you're using a desktop, the process is very similar. So, click the pencil icon located at the top right of your screen, then choose New Channel. Now, enter your channel name, add a description, and click Create. After creating your channel, you'll have access to several settings that allow you to customize and manage it. So, click your profile at the top or click the three dots to explore more options. So you can edit your channel name, update your description, change your profile photo anytime. So this is useful as your brand evolves or if you want to improve your presentation. One of the most important decisions you'll make is choosing your channel type. So you have public or private. A public channel is open and searchable. This means anyone on Telegram can find your channel by typing keywords related to your name. If your goal is to grow your audience and reach new people, this is usually the best choice. On the other hand, a private channel is only accessible through an invite link. This is ideal if you want to create exclusivity. For example, you can use private channels for premium content, VIP communities, or limited time offers. When you choose a private channel, Telegram will generate an invite link for you. You can copy this link and share it anywhere like social media, emails, or direct messages. So anyone who clicks the link can join your channel. You can also manage multiple invite links. Some links can be limited or set to expire after a certain number of uses. This is useful if you're running campaigns or want to control access more strictly. Another feature you might want to use is restrict saving content. When this is enabled, subscribers won't be able to forward your posts or save your media files. This is helpful if you want to protect your content or keep it exclusive within your channel. Now let's talk about managing your channel effectively. You don't have to do everything on your own. Telegram allows you to add administrators who can help manage your channel. So admins can post content, adjust settings, and assist with day-to-day tasks. This is useful if you're running a business or working with a team. Once your channel is set up, the next step is growing your audience. So start by inviting people you already have. If you have followers on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or even email subscribers, encourage them to join your Telegram channel. One of the best ways to attract subscribers is by offering something valuable. This could be exclusive content, special discounts, early access to products, or even giveaways. people are more likely to join if they feel they're getting something unique. You can also create simple mechanics to boost engagement. For example, you can say, join our Telegram channel to participate in this giveaway, or subscribe to get exclusive updates. So you can also share blog posts, product updates, tutorials, announcements, or curated content from your niche. One of the biggest benefits of Telegram is that there's no limit to the number of subscribers you can have. Whether you're just starting with a few people or scaling to thousands, your channel can continue growing without restrictions. So, to wrap it all up, creating a Telegram channel is easy, but success comes from how you use it. Focus on building a strong brand, sharing valuable content, and using smart strategies to attract and retain your audience. So, with the right approach, your Telegram channel can become a powerful tool for growing your business and connecting with your community. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Introducing Cohortia, new AI powered community builder. Build your communities with Cohortia and take advantage of AI automation to grow your community and engage your members without working manually all day. Setting up and running your community is very easy with Cohortia. Works for any niche, it's fully featured, SEO and traffic friendly, virtual AI members, fully monetizable, and hands free growth. Corsha creates virtually real AI members that auto create new posts, AI members that engage and support real members, AI members that comment on posts. Your community is also a progressive app. Member chat makes your tribe closer. Online and offline events, polls and surveys, SEO friendly, team access and management features, highlighted posts, reach analytics, moderate with AI or human beings. You can customize messages, no hosting required, and a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get Cohortia now. Just go to getcohortia.in.